Hello, welcome to this channel, The Real World Java. And today we are going to build a simple but powerful AI application using Java and Spring Boot. We will upload a PDF document and then we will be able to ask questions about that PDF. For example, I can upload a company handbook.pdf file and ask what is leave policy. So based on our PDF file content, it will retrieve the response. So the AI will search the PDF and provide an answer based on the document's content. So this is called a RAG. RAG means retrieval augmented generation. Okay, let's go through the code and we'll see how this works. So here I have just created one Spring Boot application. So inside the Spring Boot application, I have just created this folder structure. This is our main Java, and inside Java, I have just created controller class, service class, and its configuration class. So it is our main Spring Boot application class that will be our entry point for our application. So here we have just defined annotation @Spring Boot application and method public static void main. And inside chat controller, I have just created one endpoint, that is get endpoint, that will retrieve the response from our API. So this is our REST endpoint, and this service will just retrieve the response back. And this is our business logic inside our service class. It is our main logic. It will just read the PDF file. So here I have just added the PDF file in our class path resources. So let me go here inside our resources folder. We can see here I have just added company-policy.pdf file. So this method, first it will read the PDF file and store the data. And here I have just added the prompt: you are an AI assistant, answer only from the PDF. If the answer is not present, reply I could not find that information. And here it will just read the PDF content, and based on our question it will return the response back to our API. And this is a chat client. It will use the prompt and will call and get the response back. And inside our application I am using Gemini API as a AI assistant. So if I will go here in our pom.xml, I have added the Maven dependencies. These first is Spring Boot starter web, and here I have added Spring AI starter model Google Gen AI. And this is the PDF document reader that will be able to read the PDF file content. And here I am using Spring AI vector store, and these are the some dependencies that I think we have not used in our application, but I have added here. If I will go to my application.yml, here I just need to provide the Gemini API key. I am getting this Gemini API key from our environment variables. So here I have just declared this configuration, and here I am using Gen AI 2.5 flash version. So here in our service class, we can see I am just reading the PDF file, which name is companypolicy.pdf. So let me check the content of this file. So if I will go here and check the content, so inside company-policy.pdf we can see code of conduct, working hours, leave policy, information security, remote work, health and safety, and it is sample data. So I have just created this simple file. So let me go to our postman and try to call our API. So inside our API I can pass any question like what is Java, but if I will call this, so here we can see inside this PDF there is no information available for Java. So it will just return the response back to our API that we have mentioned here in the prompt. If the answer is not present in the PDF file, you can just return I could not find that information. So we can see here I could not find that information. And if I will go, if I will ask any other question like what is leave policy, so it will just go and search in our PDF file and it will be able to find the answer. So it is returning the response annual sick and casual leave are granted per company rules. So let me check the PDF file. So here we can see inside our leave policy annual sick and casual leave are granted per company rules. So let me ask any other question which is available in our PDF file. I will just ask what is remote work. Remote work. So here we can see it could not find that information. So let me just remove what is remote work and just ask remote work. So here we can see remote work is subject to manager approval and business needs. So if we will check our PDF file, here we can see the same response. Remote work is subject to manager approval and business needs. Like this, we can also ask about information security. What is information security? So it is just returning protect confidential data and use strong password. So here we can see information security, protect confidential data and use strong password. So this is our main class, service class, that contains our business logic and handling everything. So that's it, and it is the complete workflow. We started with a simple PDF document, but we transformed it into something much more powerful, an AI assistant that we can actually talk to. So the complete AI flow is like first we will upload the PDF, the application extract and split the content. The content is converted into embeddings and stored into a vector database. And when we ask a question, the application retrieves the most relevant information from the PDF. And finally, the AI uses that context to generate the answer. So the important thing here is that the AI is not simply guessing the answer, it is answering based on the knowledge contained in our document. And this is the core idea behind retrieval augmented generation or RAG. So PDF file will be our knowledge and RAG will find the right context and AI will answer naturally based on provided content. So what we built today is a simple example, but the same architecture can be extended to build company knowledge assistant, customer support bots, documentation assistants, and many other real-world AI applications. And the best part is that as Java developer, we can build these applications using technologies we already know like Java, Spring Boot, REST API, and databases, and add the AI capabilities on top of them. Okay, thanks for watching this video.